Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to block number on Redmi A5. So to block the number, you should go to your call history, and after that go to the number that you want to block and click on that icon next to the number, and after that scroll down until you find block. Click on it, and as you can see, you have an option block this number, and to block the number you should click on OK, and like that you blocked that number and the number will be blocked and he can't call you again. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.